Today, we're going to prove to you just how effective Ray and Rain is at waterproofing. Chucky is using our Klager pressure sprayer, which is very fast and gives a nice, even, uniform coverage. He's going to spray one section of the umbrella only. It only takes a minute. This will also protect from fading. This is not a new umbrella, but it doesn't matter. This will extend its life. It's raining, and look, on the protected section, the rain is beading and running right off. On the unprotected part, the rain is soaking in. There's proof that Ray and Rain gives superior protection.